Is your TCL TV showing a frustrating no signal message even though everything is plugged in? Don't worry, we are going to get your screen back to life right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This no signal issue usually happens because of a breakdown in the HDMI handshake, static buildup in the ports, or an incorrect input mode setting. Let's fix it fast with these 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. Perform a hardware power reset. Unplug your TCL TV from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for 30 seconds to drain all residual power. Step 2. Inspect your HDMI 2.1 cable. Unplug the cable from both the TV and your device. Look for any bent pins or dust inside the connectors. Blow them out and plug them back in firmly until you hear a click. Step 3. Switch the HDMI input mode. Go into your TV settings and find the HDMI mode selection. Switch it from auto to HDMI 1.4 or HDMI 2.0 manually to force a connection. Step 4. Use a different HDMI port. TCL TVs often have multiple ports. If port 1 is failing, try moving your cable to port 2 or port 3 to see if the signal returns. Step 5. Reverse the HDMI cable. Sometimes the internal wiring in a cable becomes directional over time due to heat. Simply swapping the ends of the cable can often jumpstart the signal. Step 6. Disable the T-Link or CEC settings. This feature allows devices to talk to each other, but it often crashes. Turn off T-Link in the system settings to see if the no signal message disappears. Step 7. Check your device resolution. If you are trying to play 4K content on an older TCL model, the screen will stay black. Connect your device to a different monitor and set the resolution to 1080p before plugging it back into the TCL. Step 8. Perform a factory reset using the pinhole button. Locate the small reset hole on the side or back of your TCL TV. Use a paperclip to hold it down for 20 seconds while the TV is on to force a hardware refresh. Step 9. Update your firmware via a USB drive. If the TV can't connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, download the update on a computer and use the service port to install it. This often fixes driver-related signal issues. Step 10. Inspect the power supply to your external device. If your cable box or gaming console isn't getting enough voltage, the HDMI output will be too weak for the TV to detect. Plug your device directly into a wall outlet rather than a power strip. Here is a pro tip for you. If you still see no signal, check the input selection screen and make sure the specific input isn't hidden. Sometimes a software glitch hides active ports from the main menu. If you are still facing any difficulty, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert fixes. Your TV is fine and you will be back to your favorite shows in no time.